Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what we are going to create today in the PowerPoint. Okay, you see it's great. Let's try to create it. At first we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide we format the background, and from the background color we are going to use this color and apply it to all. Then we copy the text. The text is just a simple text. I'm going to tell you how I create them, but before that, let me just create the rectangle we want. We increase it in size. Okay, then we, by holding Control, duplicate it and then align it center, align it middle. Now here, we just simply reduce their size by holding Control 1 and 2. Then select all three of them. We set the line to no line and the shadow to inner shadow. Then we need to color them up. We are going to use this green and that. And this is for the end. Okay, we select all three of them. You see, if we want to rotate them, we can rotate them. Let's rotate them to the angle we want. It's good. Now, we simply paste our text. Our text is an easy text. We use overdrive sunset and nothing more. Now here, we just simply increase it in size and bring this thing to top and reduce its size to 60. It's a good size. Then copy the text, paste it, then select these two things and the Google and bring them to front, copy, here, open it, then we just copy that text, paste it here and make this color black and select these two things and just simply bring them to front. Now copy, do the same text and the last text and select all the slides, set the transition to morph. Now you see your slide is ready. If you like this kind of video, you may find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.